Hey guys, welcome to Gusto Barbecue. I'm Spencer Watts and I'm gonna tell you a whole bunch of stuff about smoking. All right, so let's say that you've mastered your regular barbecue game and you wanna come up a little level. Smoking for fish, meats, or veg is an incredible way to amp up your barbecue game and get some really cool flavor. So let's talk about some smoke chips. There's a lot of different wood chips to choose from. Honestly, you can use whatever you want, but I'm gonna go over some of my favorite wood chips. So you have cherry wood and apple wood. They're a little bit of a lighter wood and you get a bit more of a fruitier note with it. But then if you wanna get more robust in flavor, you can do pecan wood, or if you're doing some really good down-home barbecue, you can use mesquite or hickory. Hickory's the home run, knock out of the park wood. You're gonna get a lot of smoke and a lot of big, bold flavors. So let me show you how to build a smoke pouch and honestly amp up your barbecue game. I'll see you in the future when I have some wet wood chips. It's now the future, so this is what I like to do. Give the wood chips a really nice soak. You can use smaller wood chips if you're doing like a short smoke, or if you're doing a really nice, long, big smoke, you can use bigger chips. I use some dry chips. The dry chips are the fuel on the fire, and then the wet chips give it longevity and smoke. So I put dry chips on the bottom, wet chips in the middle, and then dry chips again. So just fold it over, easy to make a pouch, flip it. And then what I like to do is take a fork, and you wanna make some holes so the smoke can escape. So just kind of beat it up. And then when I get to the middle, I do a nice big tear so the smoke can come out of it. And then just for good measure, one on the bottom. That's your basic smoke pouch. And if I'm smoking for a long time, usually I'll make 2 to 3 of these. And a good tip is, when you see smoke die out, take it out, replace it with a new one. And that's such a good way to add a ton of flavor to meats, veg, or anything that you like to cook on the cube. If you like what I did here, give me a thumbs up and always make sure and subscribe.